Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing a Tjmaxx, Home Goods, and Marshalls haul. I have a few things from each store that I wanted to share. And first thing I want to show you guys is this super cute wrapping paper that I found. And it's these cute little cats with mermaid tails and the little like hologram detail on it. How cute is this? I've never seen this one. This was $3.99 and it's by Bella Lux. And it's so pretty. And I can't wait to create some bags with this. I want to do a video just solely making bags with my wrapping paper because I have so many. So I definitely need to do that. Every time I go to Tjmaxx or Home Goods, I like to look at their mugs because I am a mug junkie. I love them. I have so many. So I found this one and I had to pick it up. So cute. It says my dream career is a unicorn. And you guys, how cute is this mug? It's pink in the inside and it says magical grad. I guess for all the kids that are graduating, but I'm still gonna use it. And it was only $3.99. But isn't it adorable, you guys? I love it. So cute. It says way to go grad. So why not, right? Don't we all want to graduate from unicorn school? I love the pink. I picked up that one. And then the last mug that I got is this one, which is so cute, you guys. Look at this color. And the little dog dressed in like French clothing. And then it says like wee wee. So cute. This one was also $3.99. And it's black in the inside. I'm not too crazy about the black in the inside, but I think it's so cute. So those are the two mugs that I picked up. And then I also picked up a Yankee Candle. Because you know that in Tjmaxx, well, I'm not sure if you guys know, but in Tjmaxx, they usually sell like stuff like this for a cheaper value. If you would have bought it at the Yankee Candle store, you would have paid like $20, $24. And I got it for $12. And this is such a yummy scent. It's cotton candy. And you guys, I burned it yesterday and it smells so good. I think that the smell consumes so much the room, and after you sit in a room for a while, you kind of like don't smell it anymore. But it definitely has a strong scent, and it's a 22 ounce. It's huge, and for $12, I think it was a great deal. $12.99. So I picked that up. I also picked up some gift bags that I've been seeing some of the ladies that I follow haul. I saw Handmade by Solange haul this one. So when I saw it, I definitely had to pick it up. So cute. I love the little tassels and the little resin flowers. And just how it is like a 3D effect is so cute. That's what the cover looks like, the texture. And then it comes with the tissue paper and this cute little tag. And then on the opposite side, it's just like the image itself. And these go for $2.49 and they're by Cynthia Rowley. So I picked up this one, and then I found the bag that I was looking for, which is the one to I have the wrapping paper and the pillow. This is so cute, you guys. You get pink tissue paper, this cute little tag, and then the swan has the same tutu that the pillow has, same detailing, cute little gold crown. This would be such a cute gift to give. Like, the bag is so cute. I'm not sure if I'm gonna give it away or just keep it for myself because I hoard stuff like we all do. But I picked up that one, and then the last one that I found, which I don't think I've seen anybody haul this one, was this pink swan one. And this doesn't have any like 3D or anything like that. It's a flat bag, but it's so cute. Look at the tag. And it's like that on both sides. And this one was $1.99 by Clementine. So those are the three bags that I picked up. And then I found these cute sea salt and coconut facial cleansing wipes. But you guys, look at the packaging on this. It's little mermaids with cute little lashes. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this. If I'm going to keep it for myself or if I'm going to gift it. But this was $3.99. But the packaging was definitely what got me. So adorable. And then I picked up these cute little mini party hats. How cute are these? You get 2 of each. So fun. Little pom-pom out top. These were a little pricey. These were $4.99. These were at Home Goods. And I've had these for I think a while, because I think I bought this on a first trip and I just never hauled them. So I figured I'd add them to this haul. And those are fun just to include in Happy Mail. Just throw it in the box as a little goodie. And then you guys, they had the Mother's Day cards on clearance for $1.50. And I saw this card and I had to have it. I don't think I'm going to use it as a Mother's Day card. I might like alter it, but look at this card, you guys. It's got the little puffy on the top. I love the way this feels. It's so soft. The cute little gems up here, the little handle. And then when you open up the card, it says Happy Mother's Day to the most fabulous mom. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it like for next year or just alter it and add it to something. But even the envelope is super cute. It has like the gold in the inside. And for $1.50, it was definitely coming home with me. I've never seen a card so cute. They had all their cards on clearance for $1.50. And then I picked up some tissue paper. This one has like the gold stripes, the baby pink, and the polka dots. I love the color combo. Just to package it up, to package up my Happy Mail and stuff, or even use it to make some confetti. This was $2.99. And then every time I go to Tjmaxx, I pick up a mask or a box of masks because I just collect them. And I saw this one and I had not seen this before. This is actually a sheet mask, but it supposedly foams up while it's on your face. And you get 5, so it's a detoxifying bubble charcoal mask. So I can't wait to try this and see what it does. I love the packaging. It's so cute, the little girl right here. So I picked that up. And then when I had picked up the party hats, I had found this on the clearance section, and it's the Zoomerang no cards. This one is a cute cactus, and you guys, it's all stitched and textured. You can feel it. I love it. The envelopes are this neon yellow. The box was all beat up, but I got this for $1 and nothing was missing. Everything was there, and it says you're looking sharp today. So I definitely picked it up for $1. I don't really need the box. As long as all the cards are there, I was perfectly fine with that. Then I came across this super cute pinwheel decoration by Mary Mary. The For Liberty collection, which is that floral, and it's just a huge, like, this is what it looks like, a huge pinwheel, which I'm probably gonna end up hanging in my room. It was $2.99, but it's a really big size. See how big that is? So I gotta figure out where I can put it in my room. Definitely the colors all flow nicely with the colors in my craft room. So I picked it up. I wanted to get the treat bags. I saw, I'm not quite sure who I saw haul the treat bags, but I didn't see them in my store. And I think that's about it. Yeah, I think that's it. That's all I pretty much picked up. But the last thing I want to show you guys is, oh my God, you guys, when I saw this, it was like a must. I had to pick it up. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it is so cute and I could not pass it up. You guys, look at this unicorn pillow. Do you guys see this? I'm trying to fit it all in frame. How cute is this pillow? It has the gold little ear, the little gold horn. Look at the little lash detail. But you guys, my favorite part is the mane. Look at this. Isn't this adorable? I love it. It was $7.99 and it was in the kids section. American Kids figure unicorn pillow. And it was $7.99. Isn't this beautiful? I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it as of yet, but I'm definitely gonna have something to do with it. It's either gonna go on my bed or something, or I'll send it away, but we'll see. But that's everything that I picked up in Tjmaxx, Home Goods, and Marshalls. I think so. If not, I'll include it in another video. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.